Hi guys, welcome back. Fortunately we have one day off with Lauren. So Lauren and Paul, today we're gonna do some fishing, and we are here at Jacob's Well, and that's where we're gonna fish, just right there. And let's see if we can catch some fish today. So I got here my fishing rod. A couple of chairs might come in handy. Okay, let's go. Already fishing on and this looks like a good spot right here. And of course, make sure you don't forget your sunblock. Okay. Ah. Baka dito na. It's a good sign. Let's see. Yahoo!
Get penalized for taking small fish. Let go. Let it go.
So this is sea bream. We need to measure it. It looks small though. It needs to be 25 centimeters.
I think it is 25.
No.
No.
It's 21.
Let's put it back.
So we need to let it go.
Bye bye fish. Thanks for visiting. You're cute. Don't let go of the hook.
Yeah. Okay. See you later. See if I can find another spot to fish in, because so far I've only managed to catch one fish and it was undersized. Just need to be careful in this area because there's a lot of stingrays and the water is a bit murky, so you won't be able to see them swimming around. So if I were you, just need to be very careful. You can see that right there. It's right there at the tip. That's a massive stingray right there. You see the shadow? Ooh. if you see some fishing lines hanging around somewhere, just make sure if you can just grab them and dispose of them properly. You see this fishing hooks, and some of the fishes or the turtles might just ingest them, and it will kill them. So make sure to be responsible and get rid of your waste, especially the fishing lines.
Sorry, I just have no idea what you're doing.
Ah, it's alright.
It's our first time down here and we're like, let's try and have luck at so far.
You got that. Oh, there you go.
Thanks for saving
It's alright.
Because we didn't really know what did he last thing doing now?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I got its tail, I'm pretty sure. And now let it go, back in?
Yeah, so now you just flip it, grab a stick or something and kind of just work it back in. Or just tail it, yeah.
Sorry, fish! You'll be right!
Just flip it.
Careful with the tail! It'll figure it out, right? Surely.
There you go. So this is the beauty about fishing, you know. Sometimes you catch some fish, sometimes you don't. Sometimes it takes you about 2 to 3 hours before you can catch a decent one. Even if you don't catch any fish, you know, just being in this environment with the water. Just make sure that there's no jellyfish and there's no stingray. You noticed that stingray earlier. It was big, it was massive. Unfortunately, the water was too murky for us to see it, but it was big. It was like as big as my my wingspan. I don't have a wing, but yeah, this is just a very nice experience for you to just relax and unwind. Because I've always been working home, sleeping, you know, being a parent, but from time to time you need to reward yourself. Just, you know, just enjoy nature, because there's nothing like this. And I'm sure after this I will feel relaxed, ready to take on another day. Tomorrow I'm working again, so you know, so it's just a balance. So I'm just quite lucky to be able to just do this today with my wife right there, just relaxing. All right, let's see if we can catch some more fish.